Good evening, friends. Today I shall be talking about the various blogs which I write. You all know that I am an avid writer and an avid blogger. I love to read, write, research, investigate, and then express myself, express my views on various subjects. And for the benefit of everybody, I have started 5 blogs on various subjects, and I write regularly in those 5 blogs. My flagship blog is Dayanand's World. In this blog, I write on political, socio-economic and civic matters. The address of this blog is dayanandnene@blogspot.com. My second blog is Sahakar Sutra. This blog is mainly on issues regarding the Cooperative Act, the law, the cooperative housing society matters, land matters. I give online guidance to people through this blog, and I have been writing on this blog for the past 10 years. The address of this particular blog is sahakarsutra@blogspot.com. My third blog is Small Investors Forum. In this blog, as the name suggests, I write mainly about investment related matters. It is an educative blog to make aware people regarding the pitfalls in impulsive investing, investing without proper research, and the do's and don'ts of investing. The address of this particular blog is Small Investor Forum @blogspot.com. My fourth blog is on religious matters. The name of that blog is Casa Devalaya, CASA, Casa Devalaya. In this blog, I give information regarding the various temples spread across all over the country. As you all know, our country has a very rich religious cultural heritage. So to make aware everybody, all the people regarding that rich cultural and religious heritage, I write mainly in this blog information regarding the various temples in various states of India, and also brief information about how to perform pujas, what is Angarki, and other matters. The address of this particular blog is Casa Devalaya @blogspot.com. And my last blog, the fifth blog, is basically a community oriented blog. It pertains to matters regarding the community where I stay. We had started a advanced locality management group in the particular community where I stay, and this blog gives information about the various activities which our ALM, Advanced Locality Management Groups, does for the betterment of that community. That blog's name is Saket Parisar ALM, and the address is Saket Parisar ALM @blogspot.com. So friends, through these 5 blogs, I try to give maximum information which I am aware of to all the people who are interested in these various subjects. I am very glad to inform all of you that the cumulative hit rate or the readership of all these 5 blogs taken together has already crossed 3 lakhs. So friends, I request you to, whenever you have time, to go through these blogs and express yourselves and encourage me in this endeavor. Thank you, friends.